So here's some real, unedited, real-time footage of the Firefly in use. This is a Firefly rod here that we're going to put the end on later on. This one doesn't have the end yet. It's just a production sample. And it has the same qualities that a regular Firefly is going to have, with the high strength, easy sparking, large sparks. And I just want to show you real time how it works. I want to promise you that we did not use any accelerant in our Kickstarter videos, like some of you were mentioning that we probably did. I want to promise you we did not. And before I start here, I just want to say we got half an inch of rain last week, so things are still drying out. They're still a little bit moist, but I think it's still going to work really well. So let's go ahead and get started. Grab some grass off the ground here. By the way, I can't wait to make these Fireflies because I don't want to use my prototypes that have the nice little grippy thing on the end, because I only have a few handmade ones. So I'm just using these rods here. And you get the saw blade out here, put it up against the tinder, and this method actually works really well because it catches the sparks immediately when they come off the fire steel. So just poke it through here, give it a strike. This grass is really wet, a lot wetter than when I did my video. See, it's smoldering there. There we go. There you have it. Let's do it again, just for the sake of those who want to see it in live action. Some of this grass here. By the way, the tops of grasses work really well. These little fluffy tops, they tend to collect around the bushes and things. That should be enough. Perhaps we'll get a few more little tops here. Okay. Put our back of our saw blade here, and we'll do it again. Got some flame already. Let's try it again here. There we go. You can tell it's not lighting very well because it's wet. There we go. Shall we do it again? One more time. Go somewhere else. Looks like this bush has some nice tops collected around it. Get these grass tops here. And this nice tall grass. That ought to work. Put it all in a nice bundle here. Put the saw blade there. And give it a strike. There we go. First strike. So as you can see, I did not use accelerant. Firefly does work very well. throws big sparks that just tend to sit there and smolder until the tinder lights. Let me put this out here. So we just lit, what was it, 3 fires? And pretty big sized tinder, and the Firefly is still very much usable. Lots of life left in it, as you can see there. You guys are going to love it. Do a little demonstration sparking here. If you've used fire steel with a Swiss Army knife, you know it's not easy to spark, because the Swiss Army knife steel is actually somewhat soft compared to like high carbon knives, and it's actually hard to get good sparks at all with regular fire steel off of the softer Swiss Army knife steels. So that's just a little demonstration. Easy to spark. And let me just get a rock here to show you. And just go real slow. Get big sparks off of it. Put some pressure on that sucker. Look at those things just sit there on the rock. These things work really well. And look at this. You barely touch it, and it sparks. Look at that. Super high quality fire steel. Custom mix. We worked really hard on this, guys. You guys are going to love it. The Firefly. Thanks for watching.